Calvin back again. So we're going to be doing the Rudolphs here, and so this is known as a bird dog. So we're going to lift an opposite hand and leg, making sure that we keep our core nice and tight, squeezing that glute to lift the leg. You want to avoid rotating your hip, and you also want to avoid driving that leg up too far to where you arch your back. That can cause a little bit of pinching and tightness there. So think about pushing that heel straight back towards a wall, and like you're reaching out towards something in front of you.